What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Can y'all hear me? Is everything good? So we're gonna start a little bit earlier here. I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all know on the Discord. Dun-dun-dun-dun. At everyone. Join. I'm live. Join. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the link. If y'all can hear me, let me know. I was supposed to start at 9:30, but I'm in a trade already, so I was like, let's just stream instead. Let me check everything's working good. Let me check. Let me check. Is everything good? Y'all can hear me? I know, stop everybody. So I'm in a trade. I literally had my stop at the break even, and then I just moved it to the left of 9 a.m. So like this is that current hourly candle. So if price is gonna go ahead and expand higher, like it will just go ahead and respect the low 10 of 9 a.m. and just like continue from there. Especially that silver is sitting at this gap. So yep, if I take a break even there, that's fine. I already missed out on this move. Nah, it feels like really terrible. I was gonna execute on this one. We did not get the close, and then I was gonna execute on that one. I did not. I was eating here. I was outside. I just took a screenshot here on my phone. I literally had my limit here on the gap. I had it on the gap, and then it just never came back to the gap. So I also wanted to execute on silver, but it was like the new hourly candle. I was like, let me wait for a 9, and then just kind of expand it directly. All right, so that was like a break even. Let me see if everything's working good. Y'all can hear me great, all right? Perfect. Let me check. Internet is good. Finally back to China. So, and oh bro, let me just forget about this. Oh my god, today was a tough day, not gonna lie. I missed out on 2 trades already, and that's like a break even, so. Holy shit. Anyways, let's start. Let me see what's going on here. Are you gonna continue higher now? Have we just kind of retested this order block here? We just did. Are you gonna see a fair to manipulate? Continuation higher. And I moved my stop because of that SMT. Like ideally I want to see a fair to manipulate on silver to continue at least to the next relevant swing, which is in that case this one. So let's see if price can manage to do such thing or not. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That's gonna really help the channel grow. And there's nothing really we can do now. We'll just have to wait until 9:30, man. And then we can see if we can take a trade or not. How are y'all doing? And let me go to ES. Let's start. Let's do our usual analysis from now. Let me put on some music. Let me make sure y'all cannot hear the music for copyright stuff. Okay, perfect. Alright, I really missed my setup, man. I really missed my 2 monitors. One has a chat, one has a chart. I missed it, man. So just to go to daily real quickly. From the get-go, bunch of PSPs. This is a C2 to the downside, but like, what about the other ones? Okay, so what do we got? We do have we had this 2-stage PSP, but we got the break. We got the break with this high. Now we have this SMT here. Holding. Also, YM just traded back into a gap. So ideally, let me just go to large day. I don't know what's happening with my mouse. Okay, now it's good. Clear the task. All right. So looking at the daily, where is Monday? Okay, so again, Tuesday and Monday on within the same candle. So okay, so we're seeing that open high into a gap to then continue lower. So that's like my whole basis with this week. Probably we'll have like a bearish week. I think I'm probably gonna, especially if we see a fair to manipulate at this low, then why I'm just gonna go ahead and catch up and take out that same relevant swing. And most likely by the time it will do it, probably be tomorrow or after tomorrow. So probably we'll close bearish this week, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Daily. Looking at the daily, what do we have again? We just traded up on YM on your traded up into your relevant swing. We have this SMT here. Just go ahead and put SMT. Put it top. We're forming a C2 right now, and we just formed the high of day. So ideally, we want to continue back into the current low of day and all into all these failure swings. Same for NQ. NQ is looking like the weaker asset. We have this SMT fail on NQ. So same case. And by the way, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. We got 25 viewers here, only 5 likes. I haven't streamed for like, I don't know, 4 days or something. So let's push it with likes. Let's see if the live stream is gonna go up with the likes, and then more people are gonna join, I guess, by 9:30. So, anyways, we got this SMT here. Again, same stuff. SMT fail. We're forming that C2. Ideally, I don't like the fact that we have like this failure swing SMT, like taking the high to the low of that range. Like we're in extreme premium, which I don't like to have that SMT here. But still, I would be willing to trade YM more, or if we're a little bit far from that current high of day, which we are right now, I would be willing to trade away from it. I would trust it because I would be anticipating price to go back and take out the high just because we have a failure swing. So that would be the case. Looking on a 4 hour. Perfect. So we're forming that C2, which might be at a high of day. And we have also this SMT here. So we have this two stage here. So we got this 2 stage here. So if we really look at YM, trade a higher, and now straight and lower. So you could have just traded this 6 a.m. directly, open high, like just to confirm it, like a swing, like a 30-minute swing, and then just trade expansion. I was willing to trade this expansion from that high to that low. I was waiting for a new. If you guys see my alert here, I really want a price to go back to the gap and then form a new level before continuing lower, but it did not do it, so that's why I kind of missed out on that trade. Going back to the 4 hour, the only thing I don't like right now is the fact that we have, this is 1800, look at that open low high, which is a perfect daily profile, and we have these fair swings, and now we have this SMT here. So would that be a continuation to kind of like take out the high and then resync to go lower, or that's enough for a trigger? And we have this range. Also, we took out this, we're also trading into that 4 hour gap, and that would be a continuation. So that's a bit of a tricky day in terms of narrative. Like we got like a both sides supported. Bullish day is supported, so you can just take up and low, like the current low of day, the current high of day, and within the EQ you'll have like some sort of key level that you can look for continuations from. And since on a 4 hour we don't have any, we do have this gap, and we have now the SMT fail. Would that be the reversal to continue higher because we got this gap? And if you really check on YM, we did trade into the gap. So would that be the continuation to form that C2 and then continue higher? Or we're going to see a fair to manipulate to take out a current low of day and then continue for all these lows. So that's going to be an interesting day to see the profile at 10 a.m. I will set up, and then we can frame a trade. But so far we have 2 stages at the highs. But I don't like these 2 stages. Like, it's just like, as I said, like fair swings. But in terms of daily, this is that current daily range, and within it we have a key level that is supported. So now I'm aligning myself with the daily. Daily now is bullish. This is the daily open. And also, if this one closes this way, I would trust this one as being a C2. A C2. So now I'm also the next 4 hour candle will be aligned with that daily narrative. So that would also be an extra point. And we also do have like this SMT here, by the way, but it's not relevant because I already pushed away from it. So it wouldn't really be such thing to care about. Yeah, same. So is this like just for a catalyst for a pullback, just to rebalance this current low, this current range? That's gonna be the question that we're gonna answer soon. That will be answered soon. So far we have this SMT here, and again, I don't like these fair swing SMTs. Like NQ has been forming such things. Like I just kind of paid attention to it. It was somewhere in here, silver. Yeah, just look at that. Like it gets near the highs and then reverses. So I don't know what's going on with NQ here. Like again, like gets so close to taking out a high and then reverses. Gets so close to taking out a high, reverse. So high, reverse. So would that be the case here today too? Let's just wait and see. Because like we're so close to the low. Just look at that. So close to the high, we reverse. Now we're so close to the low, and we're forming that 2 stage. Just the 1 stage. So that will be Would you say 1800 daily is protected? So far, it doesn't look like it's protected, especially from the fact that it was not from a key level. It was not formed off of a key level. This 1800 was not formed off of key level. If we had like this changing state here, maybe, but like on all the asset, it did not. No gap, no gap. So just in terms of a daily profile, open, low, high, it's perfect. But in terms of like also on the hourly, where's 1800 here? Literally made off of nothing. Like also on ES, look at that. We already inverse the gap. Would I see this as an order block to trust? Not really. But let's just, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait for a bit. Let me check. I'm thinking weekly. I was bearish. Don't really want to see a daily gap get reversed, but based on how we open the day, we could be sitting high for. Yup. But again, we'll have to wait and see, man, because we got fair swings on both sides, and we got like a contradiction. We have two stages at the highs, but and the daily profile supports bullish expansion, but also I don't like how close these highs are. So I'll just have to wait for a minute here. That's why we just will focus on. Oh, look at gold. All right, so we got the failure to manipulate signature. So now almost like I'm gonna continue at the highs, but I'm not gonna take a trade here because I already just got out of it. So my trade was here, stop here, and I was going for that high. Now let me see the executions. Execution marks. Yeah, and I got taken out here. But let's see if it's gonna play out or not. It will be interesting. It'll be interesting, but we'll have a year to wait until at least 9:30. See what the driver does, and then we can see what's going on. Yep, that's gonna be it. RV. And like oil has already expanded so much that I don't think I'm gonna trade it today. It just expanded heavily, man. Hour. Just look at that. Look at 1800. Look at now, like 4 back-to-back expansion candles. So I'll just have to wait here for a minute. Same. Like ideally, I just want to trade gold and NSCs today. Gold and NSCs will be the play for me today. There was a clean setup that I missed, which is this one, this candle, literally this candle. This was an easy trade. I was waiting for this CXD, and it fell to CXD. Then the next candle CXD, so I was like, okay, we have a gap, so we're gonna trade away from the gap. So I had my limit here, and I stop at the body of the candle below, and then I just targeted this high. It was like a 2-hour trade, but I never triggered me. It just went there. That was like a bit painful. And also this trade, we got a 2-stage PSP here. If I do remember, it was a 2-stage PSP. Yep, that's why I took it. Yep, a 2-stage PSP with this one, and I was trying to trade this expansion. And again, same thing. It just expanded, took out the high. I was like, I was having my entry here. As soon as I saw this one dump, and I was like, you know what? Let me just let it go. And then traded it back to the gap and expanded. So, and now we break even. I think I have the drawings here, but it's supposed to be from here. Anyways, let's go to gold. Let's see, gold is looking good. We don't have any 2-stage here, by the way. We do, but we only have. You could either take. Yeah, we only have this 1 stage here, which is an SMT fail. We still got potential for price to continue higher. Ideally, I want to see like a failure to manipulate. We got like a decent range here. Looking at like if you take from the high to the low, so we're just on premium now. So ideally, this is the area we're gonna reverse from. So with a failure to manipulate signature, hopefully 10 a.m. just opens low and forms like a low to target like the 6 a.m. high. That would be my ideal profile for the day. I don't want to go against the daily candle now. I don't want to go against it. It's already expanded bullish. The low is from a PSP. We formed another PSP on the way. So I just want to align myself with that daily candle. I don't really want to go against it. So let me see. I have strong conviction that 1800 is protected as formed from the continuation of previous days. What do you think? It looks clean, man, but I want a low of day to be formed off of a relevant swing, of a key level, which in that case it's not. It's not a PSP. We have no SMTs, not from a key level. So I don't really trust it. Like, the only thing I can trust it with is like this hourly auto block. And I don't even like how deep it retreats back into it. Like, with auto blocks, this is what you want to see. A tap and go. And auto blocks are the least favorite model for me. Like, is the least favorite key level for me. Gaps and key levels. Gaps and highs and lows are like my favorite. And then comes auto block, so it's confirmed like the least favorite one, and we kind of traded deep into it. I think we did close below the AQ even. Yep. So yeah, but again, it might still hold. In terms of a profile, if you want to try to profile a daily candle, like this is the most ideal. Like it will never get better in terms of like an open low high. But if this was like a key level shit, bro. Like literally after this C2, I would just hit a market execution stop here and just anticipate expansion. Again, just for fun, not. I wouldn't do it. Let's see, but let's see. So with a fair to manipulate, I would be really looking for the current low of day because there's nothing really here a level to reverse off of. Or if we see some sort of reaccumulation here or something, we can just continue to rise. Let's see. And again, for that trade that I just took, it's easy. You guys can spot it quite easily. It's just a two-stage PSP. A two-stage continuation. So that was like the whole narrative for me. We're going that long. But what do we have now? We have this SMT with GPP. And now it's PSP. So that's a good sign for me, actually. I really want price to continue back to somewhere within the AQ of that range. Let me just go keep it AQ. Not a gonna do. Take this one off. Make this one black. Yep, that's a lot better. So yeah, I just want price to probably form a new swing off with this one, and then I will be willing to take it. That would be really good, and that would be like an easy 2R for me. Just continuing on. Like if you look at the daily, it's really bullish. 4 hour. We're trading away from extreme, so we took out an extreme low. And now we're just trading away from it, just from the PSB. And we also have this SMT fail, the 6 a.m. closes a really clean C2. Looking on a 4 hour. So, this is the 4 hour, sorry. 1800. So the next 4 hour candle, ideally, I want to take like a bit of a deeper retracement for me, swing here. And then trade it back into the current high of day. Or, yeah, there's nothing really here to target. Or like this high, which I think we haven't traded into, yeah. That would be like the ideal setup. If we also form like an SMT fail here, I would be willing to trade the C2 up into the highs. Because we're forming a gap here. 3 minute, yep. And we have like this PSP here, so that would be really clean. But if we take the high out, then probably there will be no trade for me. On gold, probably. So it's just wait, man. Sabji Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak, my brother, for you too, man. For all the Muslims here, Ramadan Mubarak, man. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. We're coming in a bit early here today. I think we might have a long stream here. Probably like 2 hours at least. So, I haven't streamed for too long, so. And I want to take a decent trade today. So I'll stay here on the charts for a bit. And let's see, we're at 1,625 subs. So thank you guys for the subs. So really, thank you guys. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We got 40 viewers here and only 12 likes, so we really need to take them likes up. So maybe like 20 likes, 25 likes. All right, let's see. Let's see. So we still got like 3 minutes for the candles close for the 9:30. So let's see if price, if we form like a two-stage here at the highs, we'll just like expand and see ISD. Then yeah, we're going to spit on the lows to get taken out. So we're forming a gap here. Also, this 4-hour candle is closing as a C2, open high, clean. So yep, let's see. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see how 9:30 opens up. Let's see. Just gonna go ahead and put YM to the downs. Put it here. Let's see. Let me turn on the TTFM. Keep it here and make sure it's a bit cleaner. Let's see. So I got some sunflower seed here on my hand, so if you guys hear some noise, let me know so I can just mute the mic or get it sorted out. Let me go to Spotify, man. Okay, now it's better. Alright, so far, 30 minute, seems like we're gonna get a PSP, and so far we're reacting off of this daily T spot from the previous daily candles. If you really check from open high, and that's it. So you take the open of the candle to the EQ, so that's the T spot. So look how YM. So at YM, we already have this two-stage PSP. Let's see what's going to happen right there. Let's see. Okay. Are we gonna expand lower or higher? Ideally, we take this low out. Ideally, I really want to see this low get taken out. Let's see. Okay, sign. All right, perfect. So we're just gonna go to the lows. It's gonna take out lows. Oh wow, holy, perfect. So we're still holding this SMT here. So just dying. So I think now it's quite easy. Not quite easy, but like seems like yeah, the current low of day is gonna get taken out. So I would be trading into it, man. I would be trading into current low of day, and also this order block. Yeah, give me a new swing. That would be mine. Now it's clear. Now the picture is clear. So just let the volatility do its thing. 9:30 do its thing. Now it's confirming. Also on YM we got like an earlier signature, which is this 30-minute CISD forming the high of day. So that was a clean signature with the two-stage. 30-minute CISD forming the high of day, and then the continuation lower. So now, what do? We wait for 10. We'll try to frame the high at 10 a.m. and that will be really clean into the current low of day. So that will be what? That will be a daily projection profile, because we formed the low of day, then formed the high, then we took it out, because this low of day was clean in terms of like profiling, but not clean in terms of key level. So now I want to see why I failed to manipulate, because now we just traded below the low of day. So are we gonna see now this trigger? So that's why we'll have to wait for 10 a.m. and then let's see how this current 30-minute candle closes, and also the hourly candle. And at 10:30, we'll see this 90-minute candle closure, so that will be even cleaner. So and since we have this gap, like now I can anticipate like if somehow this 1800 low manages to stay protected, I can anticipate like that one might continue, but I wouldn't really be trading up into the highs. I would probably just go with the projection of the current flag and just try to target somewhere in here. But let's see. We'll have to wait. So that's gonna be the hardest task. The hardest task is to wait for a minute. So let's just let it do its thing. GC expanded, so unfortunately, it did end up hitting my TP. Shit. Now let me go to MGC. Yeah, it did end up hitting my TP and way beyond. That was an unfortunate day. I think it was gonna be like a 200 bucks or something. I just got in with 2 contracts, 300 bucks. That was gonna be a good one. Your channel is going for. Oh, thanks, man. You're welcome. I hope you get the value you want, man. So we got this empty here. So let's just wait for a minute, man. We'll have to wait for 27 minutes. So, yeah, man. Patient space. Let's see if we're gonna get a trade here today. Go on NQ. NQ's here already. This is NQ. That's NQ. What's up, my brother? How are you doing? How are y'all doing, man? It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I live streamed. Let me check. Like maybe like 4 days. Like 4 days. The last day I was on YouTube. It's like 4 days probably. Last video is on the on the 14th. On the 14th? What? Did I live stream on the 14th? I don't think I did. Let me check. Did I? That's interesting. That is streamed on the 14th. I don't think I did. I don't know. It wasn't the 13th. So it's like from the 13th. Holy 13th for. No, what is it? What is the date? Now it's 18th. So like 5 days. Damn. For you too, my brother. For you too. How was your holiday? I just got back to China, man. I just got back. Just got my flight back yesterday. Like today morning. I got back. I was here today at 6 a.m. So came here, slept, woke up, did some stuff. Had to get something sorted out. Now I'm on the charts. My brother, what's up, man? How are you doing? Hello, nice to meet you. What assets do you usually watch? I watch NSC's Triad, and also Oil Triad, and also Gold Triad. So okay, now I just want to continue lower, man. I just want to take more sells. What the hell? Look at YM. Damn. Let's wait, man. Let's wait for a minute. Best face one. Nice. Took this one. Let me check the trade you took. Congrats, man. Let me see. Trade and view. Let's go to take screenshot here. This is. Let me check. Nice, man. Nice. Clean one. What asset is this? 24k? So YM, right? 24k is. No, it's NQ. Yeah, NQ. Nice. What time frame is this? Yes, I go. You got 120 seconds. I'm not sure. Oh, it's probably the 3 minute. Or like the 2 minute. Or like the 5. Yeah, the 5 minute. Nice, man. Clean one. Really clean. Good job. Please increase your volume. Okay. Let me see if y'all can hear me now. Is it no better? Y'all can hear me now? Or maybe like this. No, it might be better. Now I think it should be better. Let me check. Tomorrow is so same as you guys. So all at the same date. Is there an easy way to learn PSP? It's hard for me. What is hard about learning PSPs? SA concept? I say concept or what? Like the whole concept of PSP is like one candle closing bearish and the other one closing bullish or vice versa, which is like the same. If one closes bearish, the other one should close the opposite way on a synced market. That was gonna be a clean day. Like if I took these two trades, I wouldn't really be trading now. I would just be done for the day. Holy bro, that was clean. Like the only mistake I did was this. So let me share with you guys my mistake. Once we created this M5 CISD, what do we have? Just at the closure, we have this gap, right? So I can just either like trade it back into the gap or just take the market execution, stops at the bottom. That would also give me 2R to the highs. Or if like now at the highs, I'm getting what? 1.76. Look at that. If you try to force 2R, you'll get 2R. So that's like my only regret. Is this was gonna be a good trade. So at least like let's just imagine if I took it with like 2 contracts. That's gonna be like $300 for here, $300 here, and this one's like a break even. I also regret moving stops to break even for this one. Not regret, but like I didn't manage it well. Yep, that's a bit unfortunate. So yeah, that's gonna be like $600 now already. So let's continue. Okay, I think also gold wouldn't really give us a trade here. Yeah, I just expanded already. What is that? Did I take this trade? Let me check. Did I take this trade? Let me see. I don't think I did. Let me check. 1 minute? Yep, I did. I did take this one. I actually did take this one. It was a break even. Going for that low. Then price never got there. I moved my stop after we took out this low. I moved my stop probably to the high, I guess. Oh, no. It was a break even after this one. After this CISD from a gap, I moved my stop to break even and then it got taken out for $0. All right. What day is this? Tuesday, which is yesterday. So I did trade yesterday. And also, yesterday I took an RBL, which was, let me show you guys the RBL that I took yesterday. I took it on the airport, man. I was like, fuck, I shouldn't have traded on the first play. I took this one. I took this one to the lows, and then I got swept, and then he traded at the lows. I took this trade, this one. I took this one. I got taken out, and then price went to TP. But if I took this one, it could have been a 2R easy. So just after I got this L, I was like, you know what, let me just call it a day. So I called it a day. Anyways, back to NQ. Holy, what the hell? I like YM. And do you know what I prefer, guys? If this current candle takes out the high and thing closes somewhere near, and I will be willing to trade the fair to manipulate, that would be like my favorite signature, just like on MGC. Let me show you guys the trade I took. This one. You guys can go ahead and study this piece of price action here. Why price directly expanded. That's your homework if you want to learn something new. So now, hopefully, for the next 20 minutes, or at least, let me see, for at least like the next 3 minutes for this M15 candles close, we'll stay within here and then I'll see if I can get a fair to manipulate. minute 2 stage SMT FIAL. Price is just expanding. The weaker asset put in a stronger candle, put in a bullish candle. So, and the stronger, like the weaker, put in a bullish candle, and the stronger is put in a bear. So that's his strength switch PSP. Because the stronger is supposed to put in a bullish candle. Like if I'm strong, I'm supposed to lift higher. If I'm weaker, I should not lift this all this weight. So. How long have you been trading? You trade GxT? I've been trading for almost 6 years. 5.5, 6. I don't know, man. But more than 5. 5.5 at least. What's up, Sadiq? Hello, chat too. What's up? Okie dokie. Let's see. Yep. I'll just be willing to trade this, man. I'll just be willing to trade this. I'll be willing to trade this now. Yeah. I'm still at M15. We don't have VPSB. 30 minute. Hourly. So I'll have to wait for hourly. Also, the hourly flipped bullish. So I'll just go ahead and wait. I'll just go ahead and wait, man. Just go ahead and wait for this hourly candle to close. So it's like got 15 minutes for a candle to close. So let's see. And also that would also give me more confidence, especially if Lion takes out a high and fails to manipulate. That would be the signature for NQ to go ahead and catch up. But let me see what's going on with ES. I forgot about ES, man. It's also looking better. It's also looking good. I think I would prefer ES over NQ. I would really prefer ES over NQ, especially with the fact that this one, we kind of got this sweep, and I hate when we have these sweeps here. So I think I would prefer ES over. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going with hourly. Let me see on hourly. Yeah, and we have this clean hourly. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I think now our trade is setting up. So let's see. Man. That's gonna be good. So again, what do we have to see? So within this C2, what do we need to see? Intercandle changing state. What just happened? Let me just go back. Intercandle changing state, which we do have. So now the only thing we need is this. This is the only thing we require right now. Trading away from the low of day. We're forming a C2. The last hourly candle is aligned also. We have just a one stage cracking correlation here. If this one closes the PSP, that would be perfect. If not, that would also do it. And yeah, that would be really clean to trade. So let's just wait and see. And without far wide trade, I think, yeah, we can just go ahead and continue on, especially with the fact that we haven't taken out that high yet. So that would be like an extra confluence for me to go ahead and take this one. But let's see. Oh no, so it might just reverse all of a sudden. CL. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade CL. Oh my days. That was clean. Also this setup, man. Should have just taken this setup. It was also the same, like the same two stage. But I just don't like the fact, I don't like the last 1 second closures, man. Like when the candle closes in the last 1 second, and also this one like was opening up with the new candle, I was like, let me just wait. So I never got that entry. That was gonna be also a clean trade. I was going to go with 2 contracts here for like this high, which is gonna be, oh my days. Holy. Okay. Please, NQ. Wait a little bit, because we need to get involved. Okay, we need to get inside, man. You need to give me that trade. Make some money here today and then call it a day. Let's see. What are y'all up to, man? Is it like a vacation for y'all, or you guys are still working, or what you guys do? Volume up. Now better? Is the volume now better? If you guys can hear me now better, let me know. Let me check the questions. Salam, what's up? Euro has a beautiful setup right now. I don't trade Euro SD, man. Yes, sir. Way better. Way better. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And come on, now we need to hit now you guys need to hit the thumbs up. Come on. We got 62 viewers here and only 22 likes. Come on, man. Come on, we need to take like 40 likes or like 60 likes or something. So, yeah, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. And I'm sure by 10 a.m. we'll take a trade. But is it a winner? God knows. Well, let's check. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. Let's see. That looks beautiful. Today it looks beautiful for an open low. For like the next 4-hour candle, just open low, trade back into the gap, trade back into somewhere near. Even though like another thing that I don't like, if you really check, none of the time frames have a gap, which is something I don't like that much. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, what is going on? What is going on? Man, we just gotta wait. We just gotta sit on our hands. Like let's just leave this current hourly candle to close and then decide what we're gonna do. Like let's just wait. Look at that, bro. All of a sudden the candle flipped. Let's see if we traded below a low or not. We did. Okay, so we traded below this BSB. So we have this SMT here. So far, we have this SMT here. If we get that closure, that would be valid. And especially this one's like a really big, huge candle, so that would be perfect. But the stop is huge. Holy, what the? That shit is M5. Probably go with the M5. Probably. That would give like 2R to the highs. And I would be willing to like, since we got these fair swings, I would be going for this one, not that one. So let's see. So that would be like the trade. If you manage, if it's this up properly, that would be like a 2R trade. That would be like a 2.5R trade. So let's see. We got 10 minutes to decide for the price action to decide. And again, the market is always right, so we just gotta wait for it to do whatever it wants to do. And then, wait, where are you from? From Earth. I'm from Morocco. M15. I think we'll have E2 stage here. We might have E2 stage here. At least like a 1 stage. No, we will not get a 2 stage. All of the candles are closing bearish. But let's see. Let's see which one. Like the one that kind of retraces back somewhere and like above the AQ. And if one like near the lows, then we'll probably have like another 1 stage there. That would be like a clean entry. Especially if we have this. Like I would like to have like on ES something like this. Which would be like a strength switch. That would be clean. To take out a high. Just like a minor strength switch. Let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set alert here. Take that off. NQ, same. Just go ahead and set alert here. Another one here. I'm gonna take that off. Alright, that's gonna be it. YM. Yeah, that's why like I wanted YM to take out a high. To see if first to manipulate, but now it's just kind of forming a fair swing. So gold, we're not trading gold today here. Yeah, we're not trading gold here. M15. If we get an SMT fill, we might. I'm just gonna go ahead and set alerts, man. RB just been ranging and then just all of a sudden expanded. I don't know why. Just expanded all of a sudden. There's like something going on. Just look at that. Then boom, breakout. Alright, so let's wait. NQ. I'll be willing to take this one. But let's see how this hourly candle goes. Okay, we got almost 70 viewers here, and we got 29 likes. Come on, guys. At least we need like, I don't know, like 70% like ratio. So if we have 70 viewers, 70%, so 7 by 7 is like 49, I guess, right? So like 49 likes that we need. So we need like 20 more. So come on. It's like 70% of 70 is like 49. So let's get it. Is it 49? I don't know. I don't know if my math is correct or not, but let me see. 7 by 7. Okay, it's good. Ba-da-ba-bum. One of my favorite songs, non-stop. Hey, I just flipped the switch. Hey, oh no, nobody isn't doing this. I just flipped the switch. Oh no, nobody isn't doing this. Hey, hey. That's really not a stop. What? Shit, another stop. Hey, hey. Man, I'm thinking about doing a webcam soon, man. I don't know if I want to do it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, I wanna see like a webcam live stream. I think it's better, right? Than just seeing the chart alone. What do you guys think? 1, if you want a webcam on a stream. 2, if not. Hey. Take a look, hey. I'm a boss better. I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm white skin, but I'm still a face reveal. I think my face is already on Instagram, bro. Let me check. Y'all want to see how I look? Wait. Y'all don't have to wait for the face reveal. Let me do it now. My laptop's webcam is shit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my IG and then show y'all. But again, this picture is taken like 2 years ago. I like turning on my papa that's standing for me. Y'all want to see me with Stephen Curry or alone? By the way, I did a shooting with Stephen Curry. So let me show you. You know what? Fuck yeah, let me do it right now. Okay, you know what? Let me see how many likes we got. Again, if we take it to 50 likes, I'm gonna do a face reveal right now today. Come on, let's go to 50 likes. We got 34 likes. Let's see if the likes are if they're gonna go to 50 likes. I'm gonna go ahead and so if you guys take, we go to take it at 50 likes, we got 35. So how many we need? Like 15? That's too close. But you know what? Okay, I swear, if we take it at 50 likes, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it, man. A big bottom may resist. So we got 37. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck are we going? We got 37 likes. We'll need 13 more. Holy. We got 76 viewers here. Holy. Welcome everybody to the best live stream on earth. If you guys haven't joined the Discord already, there's a link to this. Bro, what the fuck? Ain't he just going higher? It's like a super hot. Okay, thank God. The likes are fixed at 37. Hopefully just not bugging, bro. Hopefully staying at 37. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a webcam, man. I think we're gonna go start doing a webcam. At some point I'll do it. Like probably within, I don't know, soon, like really soon. I think I'll do it soon. Yeah, because like it's more. It's a lot better for the viewers. If you just see the chart, sometimes we get bored or something. But it's like somebody there and we talk and shit, and we take a lot. We take a lot together. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get that engaged rate, by the way. Yeah, price just expanded, man. Yeah, we're not getting it. Wow, beautiful day. Wait, this one is bearish, this one's bullish. Wow. Alright, so silver is closing bearish. So seems like we might have a two-stage PSP here. for gold. So gold is like the stronger assets. Hopefully we can form this stronger asset for it to catch up to that high. I think silver did already trade above it. Yep. Also silver did trade above that high too. So let's see. I might just be willing to trade away from the gap. Like when we form this gap, let's see if we'll give like 2R. 3 minute. Probably not. That's like a huge stop, man. That's like a really huge stop. So I'll just have to wait for a new invalidation level. I cannot really trade it for the time being. I can't really take it. So we'll just keep this one here. Beautiful break even. Was it here? Yeah, it was at the high. Yeah, I'll have to wait. NQ. Holy fuck, NQ just shooting up. Yep, we'll have to wait here. We'll have to wait for a minute. NQ, yeah. Wow. M5. Even not like this one, bro. Like, look at the stop. Look at the stop is fucking huge. You'll just have to anticipate that 10 a.m. is just gonna make some sort of move to go like 2R. That's like the only thing you can do right now. And I don't want to anticipate. Like, I want a clean drone liquidity, which in that case, this high. So, like, if I just take this one directly, that's like way beyond 2R. Like, that's like way beyond. It's just like shooting for the moon. So. Okay, so we don't have VPSP on him. Yeah, I don't have VPSP here too. Alright. 4 hour on silver. Again, so that's like a holy silver. I think silver currently is going for a current high week. Silver is going for a current high week, so we still got room for it to expand higher. So hopefully we can form a new swing, man. Hopefully. NQ is just going, yeah. I think we're not gonna get that NQ trade. We're not getting it, so my days, man. Oh, like if he trades back and forms like a new invalidation level here, like a new opposing candle, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. We'll still get the high. Haven't been taken out yet. And also, like in 2 seconds, we're having like the new 4 hour candle. So please, 4 hour candle, do open low. Then give me that low. Please. Do not just go. Like, come on. Follow the profile. Follow the PO3. Come on. So hopefully, come on, let's put this one here. And it seems like 10 a.m. is not listening. Seems like 10 a.m. is not listening. Let me see the chat. Let me take a look at the chat. Face reveal soon? Yeah, soon. I'll touch it. Maybe today. Any oh my days. So 10 a.m. bot explode. It seems like, man. That's what it seems like. That's what it seems like, man. Like us. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. So yeah, I think the webcam is coming soon. Y'all have any suggestions for good webcams? NQ took my SL, then went higher. Probably because of the 930, right? Probably this move. Y'all know any good webcams? Y'all can suggest Logitech, or I'm not really familiar with webcams, so if y'all have any good suggestions, let me know. And wait, alright, yeah, we'll do it in a sec. Logitech, okay. Logitech webcams. Let me see like what series are good. And I love Logitech, so that would be good. 4K full HD. And then later on, maybe, who knows, I might get a camera or something. Because I really want to like have the best quality streams. For example, like Tanja. She's doing like a really good job. I love her streams. Like the quality is top tier. So let me go to Tanja. Tanja Trades. Is that Tanja Trades or what's her name? Yep. Oh, she's live now, okay. Let me go to her live stream right now. Hey, look at the live stream, bro. Look at the live stream. So it's really clean. It's really good. You see the webcam. Is this textbook? So like for her, you know, like I'm not gonna watch, but like shout out to her. So I want to have like a good quality, just like her. Tanja, who else live streams? I'm not sure, but like she's the also Raja Banks, live streams, but I think her is better. So that would be it. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Okay, later on I'll search. So far, so yeah, gold is just literally just expanded that high, man. Fuck's sake. Why I move stops to break even, God knows. Okay, so what can we do now? What can we do now? Is just the following. Since there's nothing really here to target, like other than maybe like this next gap, because we traded within this gap. If you guys really check, we're already trading within this gap. So what you can do is like target the next gap with a fair to manipulate with the trade above the high. So we'll have to wait for like a higher time frame candle to close, probably at least this 30-minute candle or this 90-minute, which is closing. So again, the same time, and then you could be trading into the next gap. So that's the idea that I'm going to be doing. CISD gap, CISD. So now I can trust this low as being 100% protected. And then not 100%, there's nothing, you can never be sure. And then I will try to look for longs here. And if we have like some sort of M15 SMT fail or something, that would be ideal to continue higher for this next gap. That's like the only thing I can frame right now. Or you could take like the range high, range low. We're already within an AQ. So like the first swing that we can reverse off of, like the first key level is this high or the gap that we're into. And if this gap fails to kind of reverse price, then the next one might do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the next gap. Even though like I don't trade from a gap to a gap, but that's like the only thing I can work with. Because if or price expand to form a low, and this for it to be like the 10 a.m. low. Now we're aligning ourselves with that 10 a.m. and within that range with that 4-hour candle, we have a key level, which is like a gap or like a low or like 2-stage PSP or whatever. Get a new swing and then trade back into the current high day. And then probably, since that gap is close proximity to that current high, we can take it there. So again, it all depends on how it sets up. So we'll have to wait at least for the next 15 to 30 minutes. But ideally like 30 minutes. Because we have this 90-minute candle closure. So that's like a big confluence. Just look at that. So that would be the case. If you really look at the high, yeah, we're trading with an already set empty EQ. But looking at ranges, like this one hasn't been rebalanced yet. Let me check. Looking on M15, it has been. It has been. Okay, so this one been rebalanced. Okay, so now the current one is the only one that we're kind of working with, and we got a gap here. So we're gonna get a one stage here. I don't think so. It's less likely, especially with how the assets are expanding. Maybe on YM. YM is a bit closer to the low compared to the other ones. But let's see. The 90-minute candle closure is just gonna give us a lot of confluence there. Yeah, GC is just traded again into the next relevant draw. So it's just expanding, man. So we'll just have to focus on NSCs here. So we just have to focus on NSCs. So that will be the case. That will be the case now. That will be the case here today. Hopefully we can get something clean. Hopefully. So let me just clean the. Oh fuck, that's messy as hell. Precision swing point. Let me just go here to the color. Where is it? It's here. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. Just make it a little bit like 1. Just probably make gray, light gray. Go like 2, 3. All right, that's better. That's a lot better. I'm just clean this mess. Let's just make it a lot cleaner. Look at that C2 PSP. What the hell? You 2-stage cracking correlation, man. So now I just can. Oh my days. Let's see. Let's see if we can get like a. Let's see if we look at the 4-hour. This is we're forming now the low of day from a key level 2-stage PSP. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's see if we have like anything. Probably an M3, some sort of key. Nothing. Like we have nothing, man. Holy. Oh no, I might be going for that high, but let's see. If I get like an entry here, I might be willing to take it. Also using the projection, like from the high to low, like looks like I got like at least a 2.5, which is somewhere within the hour block. If you really check, so I might be willing to trade into the 2 projection level. So that's gonna be the case. We'll have to wait here, and then Let me check the chat, man. Logitech all the way. Alright, that would be the AirSend, that would be the case, probably. Mini streams, okay, perfect. Neutral 2 stages, MT bearish. Neutral 2 stages, MT bearish, man. Neutral 2 stages. I literally have no idea what you mean there, my brother. Hi, what's up, Mystical Beast? What's up, man? What's up, what's up? So we got 40 likes, damn. I think we need 5 more. And for the new people that are here, since you guys don't know what's going on, okay, that's good. And on my hand, this one is caramel sunflower seeds. It's like one of first time trying this flavor. It's quite good. It's like in China, it's really familiar with like some sort of, I don't know what they call it, some herbs. In Morocco, there's one with ketchup. The Moroccans here can tell, but like here is like with caramel. It's also good. For the live stream, it's really good. Let me check the chat. Venom. Let me see what's the question. Can you check, bro? Can you check? Can I check what? Might get a 30-minute gap fill now with YM. That's all. Just yeah, exactly. Like M15 also will be fine. I don't need an SMT file. I just need like a one cracking correlation, one stage cracking correlation beyond the high to be able to trust that this is a fair to manipulate to continue higher. So that's like my whole basis for now. Look how far ES from the high compared to YM. So maybe we might get something on YM. But yeah, let's see. Now like the only saver for the day is like this 90-minute. That's like the only thing we can wait for. Hey, let's just stage SMT failed today on previous daily high. This one? Can you send the screenshot? That would be a lot better. If you guys can send the screenshot, go ahead, copy the link, and then you give me this one, and we can just look at the charts all together. So it's a lot easier just to stay focused on the chart. What do y'all do after session ends? If you're not profitable, you should journal or backtest. that's a must. Even if you are profitable, man, you should journal. Even though lately I don't journal that often, so I really need to get back to it. Bro, good to see more people watching. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. That's an honor, man. Shout out to Robson. Like, oh, whatever on the stream, I'm gonna give a shout out to Robson. This guy, man. This moderator. Yeah. When I had 2 viewers, and also another guy called Dean. So I don't know if he's here or not. These 2 I will never forget. And now we got a lot of people here. We got Sexian. I think the channel is growing slowly but surely. Let me see. Just on the 1st February, we got 1,500 subs, and now we're sitting at 1,626. So thank you guys, like all the love, thank you guys so much. But my funded futures did not respond, man, so I cannot really do any giveaways. They just left me on scene. I don't know why. Like this is the 2nd time back to back they don't respond. Now let me check if they responded or not. Let me go to my email, and they did not. I don't know why. Yeah, they did not. So, unfortunately. I really wanted to get like something from them, like they did like some sort of giveaways. Okay, now it's looking good. And okay, I think we might be able to get it to YM might be. Okay, that's good. Let's wait for the next 4 minutes. Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. Morocco. Washim Ologoren. For anybody that speaks Chinese. I think somebody here from that live in China. Quite a few people here live in China, so well, I'll go. All right. Look at that. M15. Oh no, M15. Is that a two-stage PSP? Yeah. So we have a two-stage PSP on CL. It's looking good. 1 minute. Am I down to take a quick scalp on CL, man? Just look at this, like just from the get-go. Aligned gap, aligned with daily candle just straight above a high. We got a two-stage. I mean, why not? Let's see. Let's see how much I'm gonna be risking on that one. I'm gonna go to CL. Like for like I don't know, 60 bucks, 100 bucks. I think I'll take it. But we have to close right now. If we don't close now, I'm not gonna take it. He's gonna go for 2R. Contract 120. Nah, not the best. I think I'm just gonna go with MCL. I'll wait for this CISD. You know what, bro? Let me do what I'm doing, man. YM is okay. NQ. ES. Let's see. If we get this break on ES, I might take it. Let's see if we're gonna get it or not. I'm gonna take a full risk, not like the CL. And 15. 30 minutes. Like this 3 minute CISD looking really clean. But can you please do this? Can you please do this? Can you please do this and give him like a 1 stage at least? Because now I'm not trading away from a swing formation, which is not ideal. Like this is the low of 10 a.m. Like I'm trading away from the low of 10 a.m. But like the last swing on the 30 minute, like now I'm already trading within a C3 that's already expanded. So my stop will be like above the AQ, like above the AQ. So for the next candle, if it was just on an open low, it might just take me out. Also on M15, like look at this current M15, it's the same. So yo, you know what? Give me 1 sec. Let me log out from my Truvate from this tab, and then open it on the next one. So I'm just go ahead, log out. Ooh, whatever goal you pursue. Trade of A. Go here, log in. Perfect. And not your way. All right. M5. We do have a closure on M5. Holy. Do I have a 2-stage pit? Nah. Gap clean. Oh, whoa. In Q we got the closure, but I want to take ES. Let's see. I might be able to take it on a retest. But the only problem now is the following. If this 3-minute candle closes above and confirms this auto block, that's good, right? But like, look at this. This is the 10-15. So I would have to require like the next 15 minute, the current 15-minute candle to flip bearish to take me in and then continue. So in that case, I'll just go ahead and take this one because ideally I just want price to stay bullish, and I will go with the body of the candle. And that was my trade, and I will just go ahead and take a little. Holy bro, fuck's sake! Come on, ES, come on, man, come, come on, man. M5. The M5 is also valid, not gonna lie. Just like the M3, it's a clean opposing candle. But let's see. I think I might get it. Let's just go with the 1 contract here. Once the candle closes, now let's just go with the 1 contract. Oh man. NQ? What NQ is that? What NQ is doing? Oh man, all my days. YM. Crazy. I already got the CISD here also. But I like ES. Due to the fact that I kind of swept the gap. That's why. That's why I'm picking ES over NQ. Oh man. So I'm gonna just have to go for like probably something like this gap here. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, you got it. You got it, ES. Come on. You just need like to retrace a little bit and give him my entry. You don't have to do much. Come on, you got it. I'm gonna just have to extend my TP a little bit. Let's go for like 1K. For static 1K. I think that will be 1K. Yep. Almost. Come on. And if we form a new gap on M5, which I don't think we will too. Okay, now this is the trade. If it goes, it goes, man. Like if it goes, that would be really unfortunate, man. But let me see. Let me go here. Go to NQ here, and then go full screen, and then put this one here. Let's see what's gonna happen here. About a minute, NQ probably trades back into that level. I'll just market execute on this one, I guess. Come on, come on, you got it. Come on, come on, come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more tap. Come on. Hey. Good. Now, even if it takes me out, I don't care because I did what I had to do. Now I'm in a trade. That's it. That's all what I care about. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and in anticipation that this low is going to be a low. Just a new invalidation level within 10 a.m. I'm just going to expand to the upside. Let's see if that's going to be the case. If not, I'm going to happy with my L. I'm going to be happy with my L and just close the stream. And for the guy that said, like, what do you do after the stream ends? If I take an L, man, I get depressed. I'm just kidding. I'm just having fun. Just okay. We're just trading into the gap. Wow. No. Look at that. Look at the song that I'm listening to. Bro, this shuffle play is just giving me some crazy. No. When you're ready, come and get it. What year is this? 2013. Shit. No. Let me now use the projections, see where are we at to be able to probably predict. Oh, we're at the 2.5. Shit, that's a bit bad. That's a bit bad. Come and get it. Nah. So it ended up happening what I did not want to happen. Price trade back into the gap to kind of flip bearish. But it doesn't matter. Come on. Hey. Pick yourself up and go up. Come on. Come on. Nah. Oh, now let me go back to the chat. See what's going on in the chat, bro. Bro, can you check? Let's just okay. How do you? Okay, where are you from? Okay, did Washimolo got it? Washimolo got it. Just join our Discord up to learn. Yo, what? Live streams. If you're joining live streams, for Kataku, uncheckable. That will be a sell as price in 4 standard deviation. Oh man, it might be. I don't see any longs. Where are you going to aim? Hello, dude. Long time no see. Oh, so, bro, Vincent and the guy and the guy who sent the comment, they got the same logo. So, oh no, it's not the same. What the? They look the same. Vincent, what's up, man? He says a long time. I don't send. Yeah, bro, same, man. But I was just going in anticipation that this 10 a.m. is gonna go ahead and break because there is nothing really here to hold price. I'm just going with anticipation that this one is just gonna expand. Even though like I'm a bit late on the move, you know what? Just gotta do what you gotta do, man. And now, with anticipation that this line of mini candles is gonna confirm, this is gonna be like, this is called the, how is the T trades called it? Ideal C2 or something like that, where like the C2 form also confirms the auto block. I'm not sure if I can say such things because it's like his own concept, but let me check the chart from. Where is it? Here it is. And you ready, come and get it. No. When you're ready, come and get it. When you're ready, come and get what? Let me see. So what do we got? Like we had a two-stage cracking correlation pre-market, so anticipate at 9:30. This two-stage here. But again, not two stages a reversal point. This might just be, and again, looking at YM, it did first things first. It did take out a low. Wait, what I can do is this. Light shot. Gotta go light shot. Perfect. First things first. Not all SMTs are meant to reverse price to take external lows. This one, it did its job to do what? To rebalance this current range. So again, each SMT is not, it can either create a new swing. So first, create a new swing. Second one is rebalance the current range. And then, so either it's going to be a retracement or reversal. In that case, that was a reversal. So it did its job. Second thing is we have a delayed protraction profile with YM. So that's enough. And also we're leaving, also like the most important thing, if you want to have like two-stage cracking correlation, you don't want to have like, wait, let me clean the chart. Let me clean it. You don't want to have these really close proximity highs. Look at this high and look at this high. Like they're so close to each other. I wouldn't really be trusting, like from the get-go, what I was saying. I don't like the fact that these highs are so close to each other. And I also don't trust this low. That's why when we got that SMT, I was like, okay, now the low that I don't trust, I have an SMT with, so now I can trust it to trade into this level. And now, since price expanded, now I'm anticipating what? A failure to reverse from this high to then just go ahead and expand higher. That's like the whole concept for today. But let's see, are we, oh my God. Oh my God. So we're down. Let's see. Fucking again. Okay, so we got this SMT, perfect. Even though it doesn't matter. All right, we're losing money here, boys. Yeah, I think that's gonna be on our lucky 90% L. Why? Because we're so overextended, man. With this, like the minute I still like the 2.5, I should have just closed. But I don't know. It doesn't matter. All we can do is just like do this. If it goes back up to break even, that's good. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Here, somewhere here. Just give me out of break even because they're too overextended. I don't want to be in here. Like, come on. Or should I happy with like a 50% L? Let's just close it, man. Let's close this. Let's close it. Let me see what's going on here. Can I follow you? I trade. Yeah, you can, bro. I trade safety. كي كانت كي كانت اخويا راه مازال فيها. وين يا اخويا مو بلانش كاين. Oh, in China now they have the Chinese New Year, so it's not really the best. Like it's so empty, bro. I just got back from the vacation, man. It's just like a ghost town here. I've been spending all my time on backtesting lately, so I haven't been watching streams so much. I finally have some. Oh, look at that bitch. Sorry. I've been spending all my time on backtesting lately, so I haven't been watching streams. I finally have some. Come on. Good job, man. Good job, Vincent, my brother. Good job, man. خويا كل شيء سد تابع مالك. Thank you, my brother. Irisan, thank you. Hello, I'm from Bangladesh. You and me, same entry. Same entry. Good stuff, man. So I just look at that shit, bro. I just closed the entry and this one's flipping. What the guys, remember to thank you, my brother. Thank you. Look at that, man. Let me see how much I'm down. Let me see. Wait. Let me see. If it's more than 100, like 150, that's gonna be bad. Look at that shit. 180. What the? Man, that could have been easy break even. Anyways. Alone from Bangladesh. Alright. ياك برو كي تعجبني الطبيعة تما. هي الصراحة أحسن حاجة هي الخضورينة. You know which city you live, by the way? I believe in that for bro. I believed in it. Um, I don't know, man. My brain is not braining. بشرة. يا شوال. كيفاش تعلمت انجليش؟ والله يا خويا ما عرفتش. في المدرسة. Thank you by the way. بي فول aller retour شحال تبقى مليا. Thanks انا تدخل For anticipation of the third to manipulate, but yeah, I should have closed at a break even, or I should have just used the projection to like. I don't want to trade away from the 2.5, especially with looking at this leg, it's huge, and now especially 2.5 is like really far away. So, that's true. I'm from Indonesia. What's up, man? I want to go to Bali next, man. That's Shenzhen. Oh shit, that's really good. That's the best. Harbin Institute of Technology. Harbin Institute of Technology. Is it the one you're studying in? I don't know if it's this one or not. You didn't believe in. Yeah, bro. It is what it is. I'm closing for the day after missing. Yeah, man. Guy. Yeah, I think that's good. Bro, speaking Arabic. Yeah, I think also what Shan Laudi did. Yeah. Bogdan Off is watching. Bogdan Off is watching the stream. Bogdan Off is watching the stream. Who's Bogdan Off? Bogdan Off is watching the stream. I have no idea who's this guy. Let me check. But shout out to you. Bogdan Off is watching the stream. There's nobody here. I try to go for Bogdan Off, but like, it shows nothing. I don't know. Bogdan Off is watching the stream, bro. Can you write the name or something? What's up, my brother? What's up, Elias? How are you doing, man? Yes, said hello, exactly. Alright, so far, man, we're down $200 for a day. Shit. Now where's the execution marks? Wait, why is that not showing? Why is that not showing the execution marks? I have no idea. But yeah, that could have been like an easy break even. Should I go for NQ? Nah, bro. Especially now, just like how price is falling, I was anticipating that price is just gonna expand directly. But like, yeah, it just did not. So we'll have to wait for a new swing to form, which was the anticipation. Like, now is the 90-minute close. So now we'll be trying to look for new setups, like now. So in that case, I'll have to wait for like this lot to get taken out. For like a one stage here. Which in that case would be two stage. If we get this one, I would get in again. The meme, bro. Okay, I don't know it. Oh, that's why they give me these. That's why. All right. I don't know why they keep logging me out. Let me go back in. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. It always happens. Go here, trade, Trade. Go here, personally, connect, and we're back. And we are back on track. All right. Oh, okay. Now they're showing the executions finally. All right, seems like. All right. So we got a two-stage PSP here so far, but bro, that wasn't equally close. I should have just stick to the fact that I wanted to get a break even here. Could have saved me a lot. Oh, got out here. Holy bro, got all the way down here. Could have saved myself a lot. Within like a minute, I think we traded back into the like the next minute gave me that break even. Yeah, I gave that break. Anyways. He bought dump it, he sold. I watch all the videos on. Oh, thank you, my brother. Thank you. You building a buffer going for pay a boat. Build up before and take a payout. That's why I'm just trying to go a bit slow now. That's why I'm not going like the full risk. 500. I'm now just going like 300-400 bucks of risk. That's why I take like I try now to take quite a few trades for lower risk to be able to just to build that buffer on long run. But like man, let me see how much I'm up this week. I think I'm break even this week so far, which is bad. Yesterday I took the RB. Yeah, I'm almost break even. Let me show you guys. Again, even though like this is private, but fuck it. On Monday, even though bank holiday I traded 315 bucks, and yesterday I took like that loss on RB. Because here I went with low risk, I just risked like 100 bucks. Here, and now it's today. And also now I'm down like 100 and something. So that would be like almost a minus $100 for a week so far. So, yep. Where's that M1 CIZ that I was looking for? We never got it, okay. Let me see. I don't think we're gonna get here something, man. I don't think we're gonna get something here today. We'll have to wait. Man. Minute. Seems like this gap is still holding, man. Who knows? Or might just continue higher. Let's see. We might ice something here. Let's see now if it will get inversed or not. Let's see. Yeah, it will get inversed. The minute price, the minute price saw his face, it just shut on his pants, bro. It's just like I'm going down. Let me see. Bro, do you use correlate theory? If yes, how do you use it? Nope, I don't. But again, like the PSP is a correlate theory concept, but I use it like this for strength switch. What platform do you use? I'm still on MMF. ديما كتفرطها ملي كناخدو اوبجيكتيف ما كتنساش ما كتسناش ني انفاليديشن باش تكمل واخا راهي ما فهمتش تقدر تشرح لنا هاك اس ام تي فيل سويتش واخا خاصنا نتسناو سيتو كلوجر في كونتينيويشن ام 15. I got your point, but here's what I do. Here's how I trade. So I trade two models. I trade also AM's model and also GxT. But I will look at AM model is just like for a failure to manipulate, which in that case we did have after taking out an objective. And why? If we're looking at M15 on 30 minute, we were trading within, so this is like a C2, we're trading within a C3, right? So again, get this shit out of the way. We're trading within a C3, right? Even though you should profile yourself within the low of that 30-minute candle, that wasn't the case. We expanded away from the low 30-minute, and then we formed a new invalidation level within that 30-minute candle. So now we can trust that the current 30-minute candle shouldn't flip beyond this low. And also, by the time I executed, it was a new M15 candle. So I was anticipating that the current M15 candle is just gonna prior trace and then protect this low and just expand going higher. So that was like the whole anticipation for me. That's why I took it. But the only thing I failed to realize is the fact that even though like this leg is huge, we're already trading to 2.5, which in that case, this alone is a level where you should TP. So now I'm trading like really up in the leg. So that's like the only problem. And if I need like a 2-stage? We already do have a 2-stage here on a 4-hour. We got a 2-stage PSP. Now we're trading away from it. So do I really need any cracks and correlation? Yeah, if there was any cracks and correlation, that would be ideal. But in that case, I was just anticipating with like how price was expanding just after 9:30. I was like, maybe we'll just continue until we probably get to the next gap and then start slowing down. But in that case, like, look, that trade is still valid. Like, my stop was at that low, so I would still be in a trade. It's just I got out early because I don't like how price was stalling there. Because I was getting in with anticipation that price is just going to continue expanding. If we're going to range, then why not just wait for a new swing to form and then take it? So that was like the whole narrative for why I closed and why I took that trade. Will we actually get that 10 AM continue shooting and protect it? It's more likely to say continue from where we... Yup, but it's just like now stalling. So now if I want to take it, I will need a new swing on a higher time frame. Yo, nice to have you. What's up, man? It's good to see you back too, man. How's everything going? Yeah, I'll need to listen to the Godfather live team version. It's chilled. What form is MMF? Not M. How am I finding futures? Oh, no, my funded. Yeah, my funded futures. Oh my god, my brain is not braining sometimes. Let me see. You still like C3 when it expands instead of creating a... Of course not, but again, in that case, that was like the only thing to do. Is just to go with this intercandle change and stay within the range of 10 AM. Just like, for example, when you chart a profile of 4-hour, and the 4-hour is already expanding. Like, look at that range. Look at this range. But like within it, that was not a good example. Let's just go down our 4-hour candle. For example, this range here, and this range here. Let's give them a different color. Let's take this one red. Let's just take this one red. So what do we see? We have a 2-stage crack and correlation away from the high of the candle. So now I don't have to enter here. I can enter here with the continuation of that 4-hour candle also here. Bro, why these examples are not the best? Price just expands. But like the whole concept of is the following. We have, this is like the 4-hour candle. And within it, you'll see, for example, M15 swings. So you don't have to get in at the low. You can just get in at the next invalidation level within that candle. And that was like the same case for me. Within this 30-minute candle, what do we have? This opposing candle. And what I like is this is we sweep a gap. And again, I love when we sweep a gap. So that's why I got in here. And I still believe price is going to continue. Yeah, look at that. Price is still going to continue higher. Buff. I just did not manage to trade well. Is that okay for blind? I'm trying again. Hopefully it will pass. I do enjoy your stream. My first time watching live is always the pre-recorded of some. Thanks, man. Thank you, my brother. I think that, yeah, bro, this channel is growing, man. How many subs we got? Oh, wow. Thank you, guys. We got like 12 new subscribers just during this stream. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, look at MGC. Look at MGC. Today is the day where I just get a break even. At least this one was, I did not take a loss. I didn't take a loss. I think that might be the day where I take a break even and then it goes. That might be the day. Let's see. Let's see if that's gonna be the day or not. But bro, they're all closed. That's the problem, man. Because of Xinyan Kuai, because of that Chinese New Year sale live too. Mate one. خود لي كملم. الحياة. تنصرفايفيش بلا. Sorry guys, Arabic again. Oh, we got 49 likes. Can we take it to like 55 and then for the people that were on stream earlier, they know what we're gonna do at the end of the stream if you guys are new. If you manage to stick to the end, that's good. If not, then yeah, you'll get informed later on. So yeah, can we take the likes at like 55? We got like 53 viewers and 49 likes. So we need like 7 new viewers that haven't liked the live stream already. So I don't know if like within the 53, like if we have like 7, take like 55 likes, that would be perfect. He's gonna what the fuck? قبل فات شغلة It is what it is. اخويا راه تنبغيو انجوي الصراحة. تنبغيو يتشيليو مساكن دوك الدرايفرز وكذا. So for Ulis is gonna get banned, guys. What do you guys think? We ban him from the stream? We ban him from stream, guys, or not? What do you guys think? Hey, yo, 50 likes. علاش اخويا اخويا كتب شي واش غيطرا وما يلايكيو اخويا حنا زعما قلنا داكشي نخليوه بريفي بيناتنا الساعه اخويا ما Okay, let me check. Wait, let me do this. Go starting soon. Let me check if I have any pics here. Because usually I'm on my phone. If not, so stick with me here. Stick with me for a sec. I do. But again, that's 2 years ago. Holy fuck, there's one background pissing. Alright, I want to see this like 2 years ago. At least 2 years ago. Alright. You guys are ready? It's on the profile, man. What the fuck? It's still on the profile. I think, yeah, that's why it's still on profile. Here it is. That's me, man. Y'all want to see me? Do you see the picture? There it is. That's like when I first came to China, man. That was when I first came. That was like at the airport. I was like, China's good. No, this is traveling within China. That was like traveling within China. So that's but there's somebody in the background pissing, so don't mind. Oh, wait. What the fuck? I don't go full screen. That's me. That's me, guys. That's like 2 years ago, so I'm still the same, but I grow a little bit more beard, and I started doing some dumb shit like doing this shit on my ears. I became more mature. Yeah. Let me go back. Well, let me show you guys another picture with Stephen Curry, because I did a shooting with Stephen Curry. Let me show you guys something here. I'm just gonna go ahead and screenshot it from Instagram. So here, that's like with Stephen Curry. That's me. That's Stephen Curry. So we did a shooting here in China. He wants to launch his brand, and I was his model. That's like a year ago. So how old are you? I'm now 22. And that picture I was like 20. Joel, thanks, man. My new favorite. My new favorite. Let me see. There's Stephen Curry, Chongqing. It was here. It was this day. They came to launch his brand. Yep. Stephen Curry brings. Oh, yeah, this one. He came to launch his brand. No, but I was in Chongqing. Where was it? Oh, here. I was literally here. Oh, I think I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. Where is it? Show you guys the pictures. Oh, but it's on my phone. Shit. So I was also here watching him and stuff. It was a really good experience. But during the shooting, it did not take any pictures because it's private for that. Also, I cannot show the clothes that we took pictures of. So, yep, man. Again, seems like ES. What ES? What the fuck, man? Have you been in Portugal? Nah, bro, I did not. I want to go see Ronaldo. So Bruno Fernandes and Porto. There's a, by the way, there's a special visa to Portugal. If you go there, you'll get like 2 years tax free or something. I don't know. I've heard like in Portugal, a lot of digital nomads now are going to Portugal for tax benefits. So like it's now also like for. Let me make sure if the info is correct. For digital nomads. Since, yup, nomads allow remote workers and freelancers from non-EU countries to get visa. One must show a monthly income from sure. And tax benefits. Well, that particular tax. Or more in that case, you become a tax resident and you might qualify for particular program which offers a flat external economic concession for. Will I pay particular tax on the digital only if you stay or more? So if you stay less, you will not. Okay. The digital nomads pay tax in Portugal. Holy, what the fuck? Oh, that's too high. Holy. Okay, so I just like the idea of digital nomads is correct, but like the tax benefits are not. Is not. Okay. New info here. I don't think we can have a trade. I don't think we're gonna get a trade here, man. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna get a trade. Look at that. Oh no, this is MCL. GC. Okay. Look at the lyrics, bro. Valentine's Day is the worst day. Got too many to please. I popped out. Man, okay. I'm not gonna say something I'm gonna regret. So I think we're gonna go with the idea of webcam. Yeah, and also the other thing is like we need to make money tomorrow. Because literally I'm flat for a week. Like I'm down like $100. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and journal today. Yeah, I haven't done that in a while. What time is it now? 11. Almost 12. Almost midnight. So I'm probably gonna journal that trade and also that GC trade. I'm gonna go ahead and journal it. There's a lot to learn from this one. Yeah, probably that'll be the case. Let me do something here. All right, I'm gonna just have to call it a day here, guys. I'm probably like 8 minutes. I'll probably call it a day. I'm probably not gonna take any more trades. I'm also feeling like a lot zoned out. This is my first day back in China, so somebody just like needs something to blame. Oh man, first day in China. That's why I took this L, man. Oh shit. Heard of it? The outsider, cool black melanin. I feel like I'm done talking with facts, yeah. Bro, I hope I can stream the audio too, but bro, like the minute I do, I just get a copyright. So do you go live every day? Yup, my brother. I do. I had to take not a break, but I was not live streaming for the past week. I did almost stream every day last week, but yeah, from today, every day, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, BM Tracer. Yeah, bro, they do. Like the minute you play music, boom, your stream is down. So it's just, yeah. And if you guys like the music background, I'll keep it. If not, y'all can suggest something that you guys like, because I don't. It's just for you guys. If you guys check, let me show you guys something here. For OBS, there's something called here like the media source. This is what you guys listen to. I don't listen to this. So you guys can let me know if you guys like this one or not. And I'll just go ahead and, yeah. So that'll be the case. Wait, what time is it? This is 11. Oh, it's still a bit early actually. Oh, this is just 11. Oh my god, this is like 1 hour into 10 a.m. candle. What the fuck? No, we're not closing the stream now. Bro, I just realized my brain is programmed to Thailand. Because like 12, half, like it's, what is it called? Like midnight? And in Thailand, it's like an hour after now. I don't know how to put it. But like, it's the same as. For example, this is 11. It's also 11 in Thailand. But here's for me, it's like midnight. So I was like, okay. Never mind. We're staying probably for like a half an hour. For like half an hour. 30 minutes. The fuck is we? Yeah. I'm with the gang. Alright, so wow, bro, what the? So the idea was good. The idea was good. The entry was also good. It was not the best, but it was good. In that case, like seeing at 2.5, I would rather just probably close like 2R. Probably somewhere in here. It's like almost the same, but let's see. Let's see if price manages to catch up. Had the longs on 75. 75, probably not NQ. This one, it's not the best, but it's good. Ideally, you need like a clean. That's why I did not take the M5. If we really check on ES, like we got a clean M5 CIST, but I didn't like it. I like when we have like a clean opposing candle and then. So in that case, let me see on M3. Yeah, we don't have. So that's the only thing. And also we have like these fair swings. But I'm going be perfect. But it's like too close to your. I don't know, man. It's like a bit tight. We was sliding to school. No, we can't make the. No, we can't make. Everybody trade into. We can go make the millions. Man. I want to get an SVJ, bro, at some point. Let me show y'all, man. Let's go to pictures. Where is it? I'm with the gang, 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 gang. Where's SVJ? There's SVJ. Man, I want to get a SVJ. I want to get an SVJ. This color. Or purple. Yeah. Damn, bro. All like an SF90. Oh, man. At some point. Soon. NQ is gonna pay. My funded futures is gonna pay for the SVJ. And y'all seen the Garrett payout? Anybody saw the payout that Garrett got? Bronze color looks clean. It does, man. It's really beautiful, man. At some point, man. Hopefully. No, hopefully. I just want it to be sooner than later. The 7, yeah, bro. Man, shout out to Garrett. He's doing a great job. How much? I think it was his profit split was like 58k or something, and like for 10 days of trading. Oh, let's see. Oh wait, he's posting a trade. Wait. He took a trade. Let me see what trade he took. He posted it in 10 minutes. Let me see what's going on. NQ. Oh, we got in at that first CISD clean, man. Clean. Perfect. Was it this one? I think this 1 for 2 today. I'll post next trade. So this one is a loss, most likely. Right? Yeah, it was a loss. It was 1 for 2. Matt Lober. Finishes. Nice. Oh wait, I'll go do this. No. Wait, this was posted like 31 minutes. Okay, that was like, cause yeah, it's 78. Anyways, back. Is insane up? It is, man. It's really good. You're up. Thanks, man. For sure. We're all up, man, and we're all gonna get there or more. Yo, what's up? How are you doing, my brother? Losers keep saying days just. They can talk, man. Look, let's just imagine, even if he's not profitable, his concepts work. That's it. Like that's enough, man. Some people are just. And I want to ask you guys a question. Like, I really want to see your opinion. Do you guys think Raja Banks is fake or not? I really want to see your point of view. Do you guys know Raja Banks? The owner of Dominion Markets. But before owning Dominion Markets. And also after. What do you guys think? I really want to see like what opinions you guys have. Let me show you guys. Roger Banks. Because I don't know, bro. Like, this guy live streams every day. And people still think. A Story of Resilience by Daniel Holmes. Awesome, seriously? Okay, this guy's finally doing it. This guy. What do you guys think? Heard of him, but not really sure about him. I don't know, man. Broker of statement can be fake these days. Okay. What about live trading? It's been live trading for, I don't know, ages, man. Like, it's been... Let me show you guys. Wait. Let me show you guys when I started live streaming. Probably you'll see like a ton of live streams back to back. Wait. Before trading on C Trader, I was trading on MT5. I was watching him every day because I was trading his style. That was like 4 or 5 years ago. Holy man. It's been live stream. Let me see. I did not even realize that he's got a platform. Yeah, he does now. But I think it's legit, man. Not that I don't think he's legit. Like, some people, even with live streams, they be like, oh, he did not make that money, but at least he called the move. Like, that's all what matters. It just matters that you call the move. Not the call the move. Like, you got people watching. Let's just imagine. Okay, my MT5 is fake. I take an execution. Let's say I take 10 pips. I just made $100, but it's so. I don't know. Like, whatever people say. Let's say I just made $100, but it was like on a stream showing like 1K or thing. It doesn't matter. But it's still called the move, isn't it? I don't know, man. Like, if somebody takes a trade live, how can he be fake? Like, they just put the statements aside. But before trading on Dominion markets, he was trading on like a regulated broker, I guess. Vintage market. And then, because he was living in Canada, and then it got banned. And people were like, oh, he's... And from then, I knew, like, whatever you do on YouTube, somebody's gonna call you out. Like, somebody's gonna say something about you. Whatever you do. You live stream, oh, this guy doesn't make money, just live streams to do whatever. So it's crazy. Let me see. I think it was trading here on Vintage FX. No, this is still Dominion market, still in Dominion market. I don't know why my mouse is going so slow. Which I don't know why. Anyways, back to the topic. That's not our topic. Let's go back to the chart. Holy, bro. Oh man, finished my sunflower seed. Oh my god. That's the last one. Probably we're not gonna get a trade. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a trade here. We do have like this one stage here, but is it enough? Not really. Silver. Let's see. We got this SMT fill here, 3 minute. Let's see if we're gonna get a continuation CISD like off of this gap. If we do, I might be willing to take something here. Other than that, I'm not really gonna take anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably call it a day, man. Let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set an alert here. YM. It's just ranging. NQ is expanding. Why? I think people are skeptical overall in trading industry due to the amount of gurus, but there's still energy. That's true. Well, at least InQ still. Well, at least InQ. I mean, I guess his logistical views do make. Bro, why? Why do you keep taking me out? Why? I don't know why. Fake for sure. I don't know, man. Anyways, seems like ES is pumping here. Yeah. That's probably it for me here today, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's been like 2 hours. So yeah, ES did end up playing out. Indeed it did start shooting up. So the whole idea was correct. I just gotta work on managing my trades a bit better, especially on stream. Because for when I'm alone, I tend to hold a bit longer. So I need to probably review myself on that part. Because like the minute, if you guys check, the minute I opened a stream, I was on the GC along and I managed it on stream. And also that one, I closed it. So I'll have to focus on that one. I'll have to work on that part. Yep, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and see you guys tomorrow. And today, let me see how many subs we got now. 1,641. Thank you guys so much. We almost got like 16 new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't hit the thumbs up, it would be really great if you do hit the thumbs up. We got 53 likes. We got 26 more viewers, like 2 or 3 more likes. And yep, that would be really it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm happy to be back. Again, daily live streams. Today was a minus 0.5 R L stream, so let's just go ahead and share on the Discord or something. And yeah, that was really it. Thank you guys so much, and see you tomorrow. If you haven't joined the Discord, you'll see the link in the description. Let me see, we were at 156 viewers. We were at 156, so we got 160. So we got 4 more members here. That's perfect. Thank you guys. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Adios, amigos.